It's your birthday. It's your birthday, girl. It's your birthday. It's your birthday, girl. It's your birthday. It's your birthday, girl. You know it's your birthday. Show the world that it's your birthday. It's your birthday. It's your birthday, girl. It's your birthday. It's your birthday, girl. It's your birthday. It's your birthday, girl. You know it's your birthday. Show the world that it's your birthday. It's your birthday. It's your birthday, oh yeah. It's your birthday. It's your birthday, girl. It's your birthday. It's your birthday, girl. You know it's your birthday. Show the world that it's your birthday. It's your birthday. It's your birthday, girl.
Alright, welcome back. Let's go ahead and get into this birthday look. If you're tuning in for the very first time, hello, my name is NESHA. For those already been here, what I do, baby boo, y'all know we are doing Zodiac birthday theme, and it's Gemini season. So if you guys want to play a little catch up, I do have a playlist down at the bottom that has all of the other Zodiac looks that I have done, of course including Gemini, so go ahead and check that out. But this is my actual first time using this Gemini palette. This is by Kara Beauty. That little outside packaging, and then here is the color story for this palette. So I definitely wanted to play with this blue today and then maybe go along with these shades right here. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, I'm gonna go in with the only brown in this palette, and we're going to deepen up the crease. Now it looks really deep. Okay, yeah, it's deep. Okay, but it looks really deep in the pan. I'm trying to see if I'll be able to achieve a cut crease with this shade alone. Or will I have to put a little bit of black to define the crease? Alright, so being that it's not really like another transition shade to make this work in my opinion, because this color by itself is way too light. So what I'm going to do is kind of like mix these two together and try to imitate a lighter brown version. Let's see if it works. I think it is. It's just going to take some time. So with that mixture, it kind of gave like a gray undertone. Was not expecting it. I guess I didn't think on how the two shades were going to mix together, what it was going to create, but I can still make this work though. I'm not disappointed of this combo whatsoever. I am going to do a small cut crease because I feel like my crease is defined enough to where I can do a little cut crease, and I do mean a little, like halfway. I'm not going to do a whole cut crease like I usually do. I'm just going to do a itty bitty tiny bit. So I'm gonna pop this pretty blue on. All right, so like I said, I want to go in with this pretty metallic blue. Now, why is this blue grabbing my attention? I don't know. I figure maybe the next time I do use this palette, I'm probably gonna do the pink look. I'm gonna go ahead and take that shade and pop it towards the inner, because I don't know how much I want on my lid. So I figure if I start in the inner, I can't go wrong for that. That's really pretty. Oh my gosh, that's very vibrant. All right, I think I'm gonna take that off brown color, this shade right here, and then I'm gonna blend it out with that. Just because I don't want to go straight in with that dark brown, because I feel like it's going to kind of wash out the cut crease. Like it's not gonna look like a cut crease anymore. So if I do a little bit of that, I feel like this is not gonna show up either. So that didn't show up either. Yeah, that don't even look like I have a color line. Oh well, so now I'm gonna take that brown and just kind of like blend it towards that. pop on some liner and lashes. Well, not lashes. I'm gonna pop on some liner, do the rest of my face, and be right back. I felt like it was pointless for me to do my face off camera. I'm like, let me just show you guys what I'm actually using. I'm gonna go in with the Essence primer. I remember when I first used this primer, I think I said it felt like water. For some reason, it feels very thick today. Alright, and for my foundation today, I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Dream Radiant Foundation. And I like this foundation because it's not too radiant. It looks more of a natural skin that I'm wearing. So, a couple of pumps of that. Alright, and now for my concealer, I just grabbed random stuff out of my drawer, you guys. I'm going in with the Becca concealer. I didn't even know I had a Becca concealer. Yeah, no, this is all because it says discontinue. Oh my gosh, no. Nope. Ain't nothing coming out of there, baby. I couldn't even pretend on that one. We're gonna go in with the Clinique instead. That's crazy because I really don't ever remember me having a concealer. Well, that's one thing I can eliminate out of my drawer. She is going in the trash. But this concealer by far has been my favorite this month, so this is why she was already on standby on my desk. Look at that concealer. Yes, looks like my skin. All right, I'm going to be liquid contouring with the e.l.f. Halo Glow Wand. All right, we're going to blush it out with the Juvia, because we want the blush to last all day, every day, along with the other highlighting and contouring that we're doing. And I just feel like, I don't know what it is, but pink looks so good against blue. Like, it just, look at that. It just screams Barbie vibes. I don't know what it is. I don't know if Barbie got blue eyes or Barbie got blue eyeshadow, but this reminds me of Barbie so much. Okay, yes. I'm gonna let this dry down for a little bit before I put in my powders. So while this is dry, let's go ahead and finish up the eyes. Going in with my favorite liner. I'm gonna pop that black on the bottom part. And I guess for the bottom, I guess I'm just gonna go in with that brown. I don't see anything else going with the look. And I usually pop my inner pop after I put my powders on, but I'm feeling a little daring. Let's go ahead and put her on now. And I think the color I want to go for, I guess I'm gonna go in with this gold. I think this might throw it off, so I'm gonna pop very little of it. And then I want to go right over with the blue. So what I'm doing is creating another shade in a sense. Yep, that worked. Gold, and then put that blue right on top. Now let's go in with the powders. Kitty Bakery. And then for all over the face, I'm gonna go in with my Black Radiance. All right, and I'm going to contour with these two browns from the Revolution palette. Baby, do y'all see the face? The birthday song is already playing in my head. It's your birthday, girl. It's your birthday. Yes, it's your birthday, okay? And I like to just make sure that I just press the powders in. And I'm going to dust off just a little bit. But baby, my face is looking airbrushed. Okay? Now I'm just taking any powders that didn't get melted into the skin, just brushing it off. All right, my blush today, I'm gonna go in with the Powerpuff Girls Fighting Crime. Although I feel like I don't really need it because Julia is showing herself. But for the sake of the video and my pictures, I like when I pop on a blush. And then for my lips today, I got some new products from Cure Beauty. I got the brown pencil by them that I'm gonna try. It looks a little light in my opinion. And then I got a nude lipstick that can't go wrong with nude. So let's go ahead and try these out. My nails are filthy. This is why I don't like getting white nails. They will be getting done very soon because I can't do white nails for too long. Okay, this is not doing anything. This is identical to my complexion. So yeah, I've been trying, I'll be trying to do different pencils, but I'm gonna go to the original. Can't nobody do it like my nails, okay? All right, I'm gonna go ahead and pop this instead. All right, now we're gonna give this lipstick a try, and this is called Wifey, and it's supposed to be a liquid matte lipstick. Oh yeah, she looks like my usual shades. This is what she looks like. Her packaging looks very similar to the old BH Cosmetic lipsticks, I'm just saying. You can tell what vendors they'd be going to. I can deal with this lipstick, okay. Now I'm here for it. All right, let's go ahead and spray my face really quick. All right, I'm gonna pop on some lashes really quick and I'm gonna come back with a whole new look, a whole new personality. Be right back. Yeah, look, girl, look at the curls. Girl, look at the curls. All right, we are back with the look. Here is the look. I was going to keep my lips matte, but I just feel like it's not me. Like, I'm a gloss girl, so we're gonna gloss her up, okay? I will be going in with the Lizzie McGuire Lip Plumper Gloss by ColourPop. One of my little handy dandy lip applicators. I finally got rid of my gray ones, you guys. Time for the next shades. These lasted for a really long time, especially if you're buying them for yourself. Like, I wanna say this lasted for about, just one pack of these lasted for almost a year. And I wasn't being consistent with using them all the time, but now I have been lately. Especially when it comes to like blending like my gloss and my lipsticks. These will come in handy for you. And it came in a pack of, I believe 100, right? I think this is 100. Sorry, 500. 500, and it came with different colors. Okay, so this will last me for another good year. Either something to have on handy, even if you are whether if you are a makeup guru or not, if you're a makeup artist or not, I think these are definitely handy to have. So that way you won't mess up your lipsticks or your lip gloss applicator with, you know, your lipstick. So unless you're wearing the same shade every day, then go for it, but I don't. Here we go. That's Super cute. See, look how my applicator is all dirty now. See, I can throw this away. I didn't have to mess up nothing. All right, so this is going to complete the look. I did do a little bit of highlighting with this highlighter from the Revolution palette. Just want to briefly put that out there, but other than that, I think that's it. The lashes that I have on are these 3D eyelashes. I don't know what the name of them are or the brand, but yeah, I was supposed to have on the Gemini lashes to go with the actual palette, but I just checked the rest of my order with Carrot Beauty and they did not send me my lashes to go with the palette. So I just contacted them. I was like, no, that was the only thing that I was missing. So hopefully I can get them in time for the next Gemini looks. I don't know, because what Gemini season is over with next week. So we will see if I actually get them in the mail. But anywho, if I don't, so be it. I'll probably use them lashes in another tutorial because they are still amazing. I already looked at them. So yes, this hairstyle and this makeup look, I'm telling y'all, it would give you a whole different personality. Like who, what? I'm sorry, what? Yeah, it's my birthday. Can you not see the sleigh? It's my birthday, it's my birthday, it's my birthday. Anywho, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed today's makeup tutorial. Please don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. Leave your feedback down at the bottom. And of course, I'll be back tomorrow with another video. You guys have a good one. Stay blessed, stay amazing, and I'll see you guys then.